That started right up. Something's smoking though. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Lately, I have been putting off the fried rice project. I made a rookie mistake, and at the beginning, I connected this power cable to the starter to the chassis because I had it labeled that it went from the starter to the chassis. I don't know, I messed up. From that, it ended up grounding out the throttle cable, which then started it smoking and burnt it into the rubber here, so I couldn't open the throttle anymore. Not only did I mess that up, but I've also rewired in the automatic gear shift selector because I wasn't sure if it was in park when I took everything apart. So I did that, and I've had my multimeter. I've just been testing continuity, testing voltage, everything. I went to go try to turn it over because the whole reason this started is I needed to prime the engine. When you build a new engine, rebuild an engine, whatever, you have to prime it with oil so that you're not starting a dry engine. I could not prime it. I took the fuel injector fuse out. I unplugged the distributor cap, tried all of that. But for some reason, after I reconnected that, put it in park, and I even checked the main relays, I checked all the fuses, couldn't figure out the issue, but I just tried to prime it, and check this out. And you will see the oil light will switch off once I prime it. So that should be good. So I'm actually really nervous to start this. But I guess there's no way to tell until we just send it. So I'm gonna put the spark plugs back in. I'm gonna put everything back together now, and I'll get back to you guys right before I try to start it. I'm really nervous. So let's see how this goes. Alrighty guys, I got the air intake back on here for now. I got the injectors plugged back in, got the distributor cap plugged back in, double checked all my wiring, checked the oil, we are good. I have a little bit of coolant in there. I think it's time to try and start it. I'm so nervous right now. Okay, let's hope that just starts. Year and a half worth of progress. I should probably open this door. All right, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Holy shit. That started right up. Something's smoking though. I think that might just be the exhaust there. Yep. Oh my God. No way, guys. Wow, there's a lot of vibration. That has to be from these new mounts. That is crazy. Let's check for leaks. Everything is looking pretty good. Everything's looking good down there. We got it started. Holy shit. Guys, I'm like shaking. I'm so happy right now. We did it, boys. We fucking did it. All right, I'm gonna get a few more things buttoned up. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna update you guys really quick. I know this video is gonna be sporadic because I'm kind of just troubleshooting everything after I got the car started. Basically, I got it fired up. However, it was throwing me multiple misfire codes and cylinder 3 and 4 misfire codes. So not only was 3 and 4 misfiring, it was saying that randomly all of them were misfiring. I will admittedly say there is a little bit of oil there on the rings. I don't know if you can see that, or not on the rings, in the cylinders on top of the piston, and I was worried that maybe the little bit of oil was throwing off, like, I don't know, something with the spark. I went to go buy all new spark plugs because I was thinking that that was it, when I was like, you know what, let me just open up the distributor to see what is in there. Let me show you guys what I found. So I basically took the cap, or I think the cap is the big one, but this is the other piece that's inside the distributor, and this is the rotor. This just came right off with this piece, when the rotor's actually supposed to be screwed here. The rotor is actually supposed to be screwed onto this thing. So this bolt was literally just hanging loose inside this container, and you can see there was this plastic debris just chunked up in there. It has eaten away the inside cap of the distributor. I'm really happy that it wasn't the piston rings causing oil to get in there to throw everything off and misfire. I'm really hoping that this was the issue, because honestly, this is a simple fix. I think $100 you can get a new distributor online. Honestly, right now though, I am going to try to just put everything back in and make sure the rotor is actually screwed in to the distributor spinny boy thing. I don't know whatever the hell this is called. I'm gonna Loctite that, make sure it's screwed in, and we'll see what happens. I really hope that it finally doesn't misfire, because if it doesn't, that means that I can actually start driving this damn thing. And honestly, I still need to learn how to drive a manual transmission. I get the basics, I just have never done it, so I still need to learn. Hopefully I'll update you guys either later tonight when it's fixed, or another day, I don't know. Thanks for watching. In the loop.